And today my presentation is on neurolaw and opportunities and challenges in psychiatry. So this article was written by German Manin, a Dutch psychiatrist, philosopher, and professor of forensic psychiatry. The main topic of the article was surrounding the term neurolaw. Neurolaw is an interdisciplinary field which links the brain to federal law. Neurolaw facilitates a way to better understand human behavior as well as to regulate it correctly through incorporating achievements in neuroscience to legal studies. Throughout the article, Manin covers the three main research areas in neurolaw, as well as possible implications in criminal responsibility and neuroimaging. The revision area of neurolaw should focus on whether findings in neuroscience should lead to revisions of the law and its legal practices. In the following case, a 40-year-old schoolteacher chose the tendencies of pedophilia, but MRI showed an orbitofrontal tumor. When this tumor was completely removed, the tendency stopped. Manin questions to what extent should a teacher be considered criminally responsible, and what does this case mean for those with acquired pedophilic behavior? These type of questions lead to even bigger questions about the influence of neuroimaging in court, as well as emphasizing the need for revision in the principles of neurolaw. The article also warns that not all revisions are good revisions, like the recently popular idea that implies that the insanity defense is no longer relevant because no defendant is ever criminally responsible because of the neuroscience data that claims to show that free will is an illusion. Reasons like these is why revision in neurolaw is needed. The next major proponent of neurolaw would be the assessment of people as well as the possible intervention into their lives to lower the possibilities of a repeat crime. The assessment of people in a criminal setting is something the article was clear to warn against if not done properly. The controversy around lie detectors is enough that where neuroscience type applications should not be used. Interestingly enough, there's still a company called No Lie MRI already in business and use. At the present day, not much can be done for neurological intervention, but some studies show that gradually in the future, devices could be installed to help those with criminal issues. Such a device is a deep brain stimulating device. This device in the future could be installed into someone's head to reduce the sexual drive. Devices such as these are experimental and add a new host of questions that would need to be answered before their implication. In the future, neuroscience may support forensic psychiatry, but till questions about the reliability and ethics behind such a collaboration is discussed, neurolaw will remain as a growing field instead of a criminal proceeding. Thank you.